everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening. Who is
Welcome.
saying that? Good evening. Who is saying that? Ahmed,
Oh yeah,
the
Ahmed.
dead terrorist.
The dead
Ahmed, the dead terrorist.
That's my favorite character.
I love.
You love Walter.
Walter. Dunham.
Jeff Dunham.
Jeff Dunham. He's a good one. Anyway, guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We decided to take a little ride, little walk. It's just in the neighborhood.
Yeah, it's been a week that, or all, no. It's been few days that we didn't.
Yeah, we haven't been out much. We both have had a little flu, like I think I said that.
I have runny nose.
Runny nose.
Yeah.
It's not
But-
Corona, guys. It's not
Yeah,
Corona.
no, it's not Corona.
So anyway, so today we decided to go and have some Korean food here at
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Korean bamboo.
Korean restaurant, located in right across from
Right across from Manson Drugs.
Munson Drugs, McDonald's, everything. If you go
Yeah, this place is called Samsonville.
Samsonville,
Samsonville.
yeah. I think that's what it's called. You
Yeah.
just walk across MacArthur from McDonald's, straight down the street. 2 blocks on the right, you see Bamboo Korean restaurant.
Yeah.
And we're gonna take you in there. They have. We've been here a couple of times before, and they have really good food. So let's go in and jump in there and test out their meal.
Yeah. No, yummy.
All right, so we're inside here, and I'm gonna show you around a little bit. The restaurant is pretty nice, actually. It's like an open area, and the entire restaurant is on the roof, but this here is a tree,
Mango
and
tree.
it's like a mango tree,
No, it's like
and
it's
the
a
waterfall
mango
is
tree.
right under it, and then they have the falling stars and everything in the tree, and but it's nicely decorated in here. And here we have the
Those customers.
customer posted pictures.
Yeah, those picture is when they start to open.
When they open,
Yeah, when they open.
from the first
Yeah,
guests,
first
they came in and
guests,
so on and so
yes.
forth.
Yes.
So they took picture.
Yes.
All right, we got to post our life in the Philippine picture there.
Yeah, maybe.
All right. Okay, so we're going to show you around a little bit. What we're going to have is unlimited
Unlimited.
Yupsal.
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. She's better on Korean than I am.
I
But-
love Korean. I love Korean food. I love Korean drama. Eee!
All right. This is all you can eat, unlimited, 350 pesos. And what do we got here?
Kimchi.
Kimchi.
That one is salad.
That's a salad. That's like a bean sprout or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With cabbage.
And here's my favorite. The little
Small
small
potatoes.
round potatoes. Really good. Has a little flavor. That
It's like a tofu, something
tofu,
like
whatever it
Yeah.
is, I'm not sure.
that. That's
that-
salad.
Fresh salad, guys.
That's a
lot of-
macaroni salad.
That is what's called
Macaroni salad.
macaroni
Salad.
salad. It's like fruit in it too, right? A little
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm not too crazy about that. And I don't know. That's more like Filipino, isn't it?
Yeah, they put a twist for Filipino
Yeah.
customers.
Here's another view of the restaurant,
Yeah.
and they have this little tray out here.
Lettuce.
Fresh lettuce.
Yeah,
Plenty of pork, sliced pork.
that one.
There you go. And next to it,
There's a
They have
marinated.
marinated barbecue pork.
Yeah.
It has a little flavor to
Yeah,
it,
yeah. The barbecue flavor.
barbecue flavor. And the personnel is really nice.
Yeah.
They take good care of you when you're here. And that's a good waitress right there. All right, so we're loading up, and we're gonna cook and eat. It's kind of nice, you know. You cook
Yeah.
at a table, and all you can eat.
It's a self-service.
Self-service, all you can eat, and there's a lot of fresh vegetables. So,
I like
what do you
that
got
one.
there?
That's a noodle, Korean noodle.
Korean noodles.
Yeah, I like that.
What's the difference between
Filipino?
Swedish, Filipino, and Korean noodles?
I like the Korean noodles because the noodles they have is a very, I don't know, I can't explain the taste. It's
But
very
it's a little different taste also, I'm assuming. So we're going to enjoy the evening and go from there. So another thing with this segment inside here, they do play a lot of loud music. YouTube has more and more catching up on copyright stuff.
yeah.
And even if it's really low background
Yeah, they
music,
Capture, they will capture.
they capture it, and you can't monetize the video, or the revenues on advertisement on it is shared with the songwriter, composer, whatever. And so I have started more and more now, just take out the original sound and I lay my own sound on it. So this is all voiceover, and we'll talk about that while we enjoy the dinner.
Yeah. He don't know how to use.
Yeah, I have a hard time with the sticks. You know, first time I ate with sticks was when I ended up in China. And they had nothing else. So, but this is really good, guys. A lettuce, kimchi, and a little bit of hot spices, and some pork on it. Then you roll it, and you just
Put it on your mouth.
put it in your mouth and chew it down the best you can.
Yeah.
And we like it. You know, we probably spend an hour in there. One or two flights are for free also. So.
Yeah. Can't believe the people eating inside this Korean.
Yeah, they were here when we arrived,
Yeah.
and we have eaten for an hour.
Yeah,
and they're still
not
eating.
Finished they're not
It must be
finished.
good. All right. So,
Yeah, the food must be good.
yeah, I think it is. It was really good, guys.
Yeah.
I can recommend the place. So now we're gonna head
So
back
what
home.
is your rating?
Rating
1 to 10.
1 to 10. I would give it an 8 or 9.
This 8.5.
Okay, so that's 8 or 9. It's close.
Yeah.
All right. It's very good, guys. And it's worth the price too. It's 350 pesos per person, all you can eat.
Yeah, there's vegetables if you want rice. There's fried rice.
It's all kind of
Yeah.
stuff.
Until your body get it big.
Right.
Until you give up.
All right, so let's go home, and we're gonna take a ride through the neighborhood. We're gonna ride a little Betsy here. The bike, my bike was named after somebody else named it for me. I let him have the bike for 4 months, I think it was, and by the time I came back, the bike had a name, and the name was Betsy, and he handed me a key with Betty Boop, right? Betty Boop, and that's how the bike got the name Betsy. All right, hon, let's go.
I'm an assistant, camera.
Camera assistant.
Yeah, camera
All right,
assistant.
let's go. Let's get on the bike.
Hold this one. I need my helmet.
Safety first, guys. When you ride,
First.
even though we're actually not driving more than 5-10 blocks maybe. But we're gonna take you through Dao's home site and go home that way.
Shortcut.
Check the nightlife. It's not really a shortcut, but
But it's shorter the
if it's a lot of traffic,
or
it's a better way
it
to go.
avoids traffic.
Yeah,
Escape from the traffic.
traffic escape.
Yeah, if you notice, the O is more different now from before.
Yeah,
Before it's not really traffic. Now it's huge.
yep. 5 years.
Yeah.
And 100% increase in traffic.
Okay. Oh, my bitsy. As you can see, it's really dark. Look at the moon. Oh, look at the moon.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah, you can see the moon in this video. It's so small, but and oh la la, that was nice. It's a full moon. See, it's traffic now. Really bad. It's
Yeah, what
really
we can
bad.
do, let's go down this way and just make a U-turn down there.
Yeah. Look at this. It's very traffic.
It's a mess.
Yeah, it's a mess. It's getting mess. Rush hour. Look, it's so messy. Traffic. Are we buying peanut?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. We need to park the motorbike on Makbo. So we can buy peanut. Our favorite snacks. Peanut.
It's from him for, what is it, five years we've been buying peanuts from him.
Yeah, sour.
What?
Peanut dry.
Yeah. And he has good peanut too.
Different kinds of peanuts.
All right, 50-50. 50-50.
Spicy.
No, not. Do you want spicy? No, no spicy. Just preparing a little bag. And we get some peanuts here.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, right across here, down that road, right across the street here is the bamboo. So it's easy to find. You got McDonald's on this corner, Sogo Hotel behind there, and it's easy to find. All right, let's walk back to the bike and see what we can do here. From here, we're going to take a ride down this street, go straight down here, and just ride through the neighborhood a little bit and check it out. Take you with us. It's a little dark out, guys, but I don't know if you can see it in this camera. Yeah, you can. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but that's not the moon, obviously, the bright light, but right behind there, coming in behind a cloud, is like an orange moon tonight, full moon, and pretty nice. This road is busy too. This is going into the old home site, I think.
Yeah.
It's really busy. All right, let's go.
Okay, barbecue. And this is Pilco, because we always paying our electric.
Yeah, I was there paying the electric today.
Yeah, and this one here is a Bliss Hotel.
Bliss Hotel.
Drive-in.
I've never been down in there.
No, me either.
And you have typical sari stores all over the place.
Yeah.
And this is where we lived before.
Yeah, before.
Long time ago, 5 years. Busy Market Street.
I don't know what street is this one.
I don't know. You put the street names on the screen.
Yeah. So in this place there's a lot of carinderia or canteen that
Stores, rice
stores, laundry shop. Oh, there's a chicken star. Oh, they have a chicken star here.
Yeah, they just...
Yeah, this one is new. Before there's no chicken star here. Wow. That's a nice place. We're driving in the home side.
Yeah.
And this area is a lot of homes.
Yeah. Bakery, renderia. This is really the back streets.
Yeah. On this street there is a clinic here.
Yeah, emergency clinic.
Yeah, emergency clinic
Right here.
right here in this area, this one.
And we're gonna head up this way.
Yeah, straight to MacArthur. No, is it MacArthur Highway?
No, it's
No.
not MacArthur. It's Dao Access Road.
Yeah, the O-axis. This highway goes to NLEX.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got the barangay
Yeah.
police down there.
Then there's an Aling Lusing sisig restaurant.
Yeah. See
The O
this?
branch. That's
Yeah.
Aling Lusing
Yeah.
sisig branch.
All right. So this is Dao Access.
Yeah, this is the O-axis.
And
Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh.
they're driving like crazy.
Yeah, here, yeah, it's very dangerous. So all the riders, motorcycles, you need to drive safety. Drive responsible.
And this is Barangay Dao,
Yeah, this
San
is-
Isidro.
Yes.
On this side, we just built this park a couple of years ago.
This is barangay. This is Ilang-Ilang Street. This is where we live.
Well, we lived.
We
don't
lived
anymore.
before, long time ago. And that area on this right side, this is the first gate is
This
that's our
gate right here
second,
is where we live.
yeah, second apartment where we live
This is
before.
our street called Everlasting.
Everlasting. So we're in our street now,
And,
and Everlasting Street.
we're gonna wrap this ride and dinner and everything up, and
Yeah.
subscribe and hit the bell.
And put the comments below.
Comments below. A thumbs up will help us tremendously,
Yeah.
and we go from there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.